Great job on the 2 chord changes. You probably feel a lot more confident with the chord changes now, so let's make it a bit more challenging by adding 1 more chord. Being able to switch between 3 different chords means that you can play all those 3 chord songs, and there are loads of them out there. So, by combining 3 chords and then adding a strumming pattern, you'll become a rhythm guitarist in no time. Strumming patterns are taught in a later course, so for now, let's focus on nailing the chord changes. In this level, you'll be practicing on changing between C and A minor and E minor. What's more is that these chords share a very similar fingering. So, moving between C and A minor, you'll just move your ring finger from here to here. And from A minor to E minor, you'll lift your index finger from the fretboard and move both middle and ring finger up from the D and G strings to A and D. It's as simple as that. Before the lesson starts, we'll show you the chords again so you can practice at your own pace. Try to practice these chord changes at least 10 times so you get the hang of it. For increased speed, try to grab the full chord at once instead of adding 1 finger at a time. Notice how your muscle memory kicks in and how your fingers automatically start moving to the right place. Eventually, you'll not need to look at the fretboard as much while playing and can focus your eyes on the tablature instead. As always, let the chord ring out as long as you can before changing to the next chord. Good luck.